Hello, myself Professor Bhavana Zambare. I am the faculty of Computer Engineering Department, Godavari Foundations, Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon. In today's video, I will tell you about artificial intelligence. What are the advantages of using artificial intelligence in our day-to-day life? What are the applications of artificial intelligence? All these are topics are covered in today's video. So let's start with our video.
Artificial intelligence. In today's world, technology is growing very fast and we are getting in touch with different new technologies day by day. Here, one of the booming technology of computer science is artificial intelligence, which is ready to create a new revolution in the world by making intelligent machines. AI is one of the fascinating and universal field of computer science, which has a great scope in future. And AI hold a tendency to cause a machine to work, to behave like a human. Artificial intelligence is composed of two words. One is artificial and another is intelligence. So artificial defines the man-made and intelligence defines the thinking power. Hence, we say AI means a man-made thinking power. So we will see the actual definition of artificial intelligence. It is the branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like a human, and able to make decisions. Artificial intelligence exists when a machine can have a human-based skill such as learning, reasoning, and solving problems. So why we use artificial intelligence? With the help of AI, you can create such a software or devices which can solve real-world problems very easily and with accuracy, such as health issues, marketing, traffic issues, etc. With the help of AI, you can create your personal virtual assistants such as Google Assistant, Siri, etc. With the help of AI, you can also build such a robot which can work in an environment where survival of humans can be at risk. Goals of artificial intelligence. The goals of artificial intelligence are replicate human intelligence, solve knowledge intensive tasks, also an intelligent connection of perception and action building machine which can perform various tasks like a human, such as proving theorem, playing chess, driving a car in traffic, plan some surgical operations, etc. So what comprises to artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is not just a part of a computer science, even it's so vast and require lots of other factors which can contribute to it. To create the AI, first we should know that how intelligence is composed. So the intelligence is an intangible part of our brain, which is a combination of reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, and etc. To achieve the above factors for a machine or software, artificial intelligence requires the following disciplines: computer science, psychology, neuron science, biology, philosophy, maths, psychology. Advantages of artificial intelligence. Following are the some main advantages of artificial intelligence. That is a high accuracy with less errors. AI machines or systems are prone to less error and high accuracy as it takes decision as per pre-experience or information. High speed. AI systems can be of very high speed and fast decision making. Because of that, AI system can beat a chess champion in the chess game. High reliability. AI machines are reliable and can perform the same actions multiple times with high accuracy. AI is also useful for risky areas such as AI machines can be helpful in situations such as defusing a bomb, exploring the ocean floor, where to employ a human can be very risky. Digital assistant. AI can be very useful to provide digital assistant to the users, such as AI technology. It's currently used by various e-commerce websites to show the products as per customer requirement. Useful as a public utility. AI can be very useful for public utilities such as a self-driving car, which can make our journey safer and hassle-free. Facial recognition for security purpose, natural language processing to communicate with the human in a human language, etc. Now we will see what is AI, why we use AI. Now we will, what are the advantages of AI? Now we will see disadvantages of AI, disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Every technology has some disadvantages, and the same goes for artificial intelligence. Being so advantageous technology still, it has some disadvantages which we need to keep in our mind while creating an AI system. So following are the disadvantages of AI. High cost. The hardware and the software requirement of AI is a very high, costly, as it requires lots of maintenance to meet current world requirement. Can't think out of the box. Even we are making smarter machines with AI, but still they cannot work out of the box, as the robot will only do the work for which they are trained or programmed. No feeling and emotions. AI machines can be an outstanding performer, but still it does not have the feeling, so it cannot make any kind of emotional attachment with the human, and may sometimes it will be very harmful for user if proper care is not taken. Increased dependency on machine. With the increment of technology, people are getting more dependent on devices, and hence they are losing their mental capabilities. No original creativity. As a human are so creative and can imagine some new ideas, but still AI machines cannot beat this power of a human intelligence and cannot be creative and imaginative. So these are the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Now we will see where the AI can be used. We will see the various applications in today's society. It is okay. So let's move toward application of AI. So application of AIs are number of places. It is becoming essential for today's time because it can solve complex problems with an efficient way in the multiple industries such as healthcare, entertainment, finance, education, etc. AI is making our daily life more comfortable and fast. Following are the some factors which have the applications of artificial intelligence. See these factors like astronomy, healthcare, transport, agriculture, education, e-commerce, entertainment, robotics, automotive, social media, data security, finance, gaming. These are the various applications of AI, artificial intelligence. Now, one by one, we will see all applications in short. AI in astronomy. Artificial intelligence can be very useful to solve complex universe problems. AI technology can be helpful for understanding the universe, such as how its work, origin, it, etc. AI in healthcare. In the last 5 to 10 years, AI becoming more advantageous for the healthcare industry and going to have a significant impact on this industry. Healthcare industries are applying AI to make a better and faster diagnosis than human. So AI can help doctor with diagnosis and can perform when patients are worsening so that medical help can reach to the patient before hospitalization. Now AI in a gaming. AI can be used for gaming purposes. The AI machine can play strategic game like chess, whereas the machines need to think of a large number of possible places. Now, what is the use of AI in finance? AI and finance industries are the best matches for each other. The finance industry is implementing automation, chatbots, adaptive intelligence, algorithm trading, and machine learning into financial processes. Now, AI in data security. The security of data is crucial for every company, and cyber attacks are growing very rapidly in the digital world. AI can be used to make your data more safe and secure. Some examples such as AEG bot, AI2 platforms are used to determine software bug and cyber attacks in a better way. AI in entertainment. We are currently using some AI-based applications in our daily life with some entertainment services such as Netflix or Amazon. With the help of ML, machine learning, and artificial intelligence algorithm, these services show the recommendation for programs or shows. Now, next application, AI in social media. Social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat contain billions of users' profiles, which need to be stored and managed in a very efficient way. AI can be organized and manage massive amount of data. AI can analyze lots of data to identify the latest trends, hashtag, and requirement of different users. Now, AI in a travel and transport. AI is becoming highly demanding for travel industries. AI is capable of doing various travel related work such as from making travel arrangement to suggesting the hotels, flights and best route to the customer. Travel industries are using AI powered chatbots which can make human like interactions like customer for better and fast response. AI in the automotive industry. Some automotive industries are using AI to provide virtual assistant to their user for better performance, such as Tesla has introduced Tesla Bot, an intelligent virtual assistant. Various industries are currently working for developing self-driven cars, which can make your journey more safe and secure. Now, AI in agriculture and e-commerce. So agriculture is an area which require various resources, labors, money and time for best result. Nowadays, agriculture is becoming digital and AI is emerging in this field also. Agriculture is applying AI as a agricultural robotics, solid and crop monitoring, predictive analysis, etc. AI in agriculture can be very helpful for farmers. And in e-commerce, AI is providing a competitive edge to the e-commerce industry. And it is becoming more demanding in the e-commerce business. AI is helping shoppers to discover associated products with recommended size, color, or even brand also. AI in education. AI can automate grading so that the tutor can have more time to teach. AI chatbots can communicate with students as a teaching assistant. AI in the future can be work as a personal virtual tutor for students, which will be accessible easily at any time and any place. Now, AI in robotics. Artificial intelligence has a remarkable role in robotics. Usually, general robots are programmed such that they can perform some repetitive tasks. But with the help of AI, we can create intelligent robot which can perform tasks with their own experiences without pre-program. Humanoid robots are best example for AI in a robotic. Recently, the intelligent humanoid robot named as Erika and Sophia has been developed, which can talk and behave like a human. Now, these are the applications of AI. This is all about artificial intelligence. For any question, for any queries, you can send me a mail. Will give my mail ID in a description box. Thank you so much.